everybody, it's Valerie here, and we have a super special video. What's inside that huge playhouse behind you? Presents! Awesome! So Toy Insider gave us a catalog with all of their toys, and they also gave us presents that are top toys for Christmas this year. So guys, I don't want to have you guys just open the presents. I'm going to do a competition with riddles for the older kids, and our two Incredibles guys over there, Jack, Jack, and Dash, will play a game to see who gets to open their present first. Should we have the little ones go first? Yeah! Okay, so you guys are going to play Cornhole. Can't pass a gecko mask, and you have 4 bean bags. Let's see how many you get in. Oh, miss. Let's see. Come on. Go, Dash. 1, and that was super speedy. 2. Oh, so close. 2. Jack, Jack, do you think you can win? Yeah. Okay, let's see what Jack, Jack gets. 1. Whoa, you got the first one. 2. Oh, 1 more. 3. Yay, you won! That was awesome. Okay, so go in and look for your present. Okay, so you get, so all of them have labels. Whoa, 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 that's not yours.
This one is yours.
Yours is actually the only one that's not wrapped up because it got unwrapped. Jack, Jack. Jack, Jack's a little bit trouble and opens presents, huh? So you got a new Little Tikes Wheelz toy. This is so cool. So we'll open it up and then you can play with it, okay?
Yeah.
So now Max, can you find your present that says Max on it? It's a big one.
It's heavy.
Yeah, it's really heavy. Can you get it? Whoa, Max. Okay, open it up.
A fire truck.
A fire truck? Whoa, I see Paw Patrol. I didn't know they made a Paw Patrol fire truck. This looks huge. Wow, this is super huge. It's like as big as you, Jack. Jack, is that awesome? Oh, open it up. Look, it comes with Marshall. Oh, and it lights up too. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, so now we're going to see who is the best at answering riddles and gets to open up their present first. So in order to open your present, you need 3 riddles answered correctly. And I'm going to read a riddle and all of you guys can answer it. So just whoever answers it right and first. Okay, so first one is, what has 4 legs but can't walk? You guys thinking about it?
A monkey?
No. Think of something that's not alive that has 4 legs but can't walk. A dead cow. Okay, well, no, that's not it. Think of what's behind you. What's behind Toby over there? The blue thing behind you.
A table.
Yeah, a table. Ding, ding, ding.
I said it.
Yeah, okay, so Dino got 1 right. Okay, so here's the next riddle. What invention lets you look right through a wall?
Glass.
Yeah, glass, which is a...
Window.
Yeah, window. So I think Dean got that one though, because he said glass, which is what a window is. Wow, Dino, like you're the youngest and you already got 2 of them. Okay, so here's the next riddle. What gets wetter and wetter the more it dries?
A towel.
Okay, tie. We'll give that to Wyatt because he doesn't have one yet. Okay, the next one. If an electric train is traveling south, which way is the smoke going?
None of them is electric.
Yep, okay, so Danielle, you got 3, so why don't you open your present? Look for Dino. Let's see what you get. This one's going to be so cool. What is it? Star Wars Chewbacca. It's Chewie. What, did I just hear Chewie? Wait, wait, hold it up, let me see it. Oh, that's so cool. Does it move its head? Aww. Okay, so here's the next riddle. It's kind of hard. So just think about what I'm saying. It says, I have keys, but no doors. I have space, but no rooms. I allow you to enter, but you are never able to leave. What am I? Think of something that has keys. What's another thing besides keys, like car keys? Oh, a piano. That's a good guess, but something else with keys. Think about something that has keys and has an enter key. Yeah, computer, what is it? A keyboard, right?
A keyboard.
Good, okay, so you got 2. Good. Now, Toby, you gotta get the next one, okay? You cannot see me, nor can I be touched. You cannot feel me, but I can cook your lunch.
Heat.
Yeah, what?
Heat.
Heat. You both got it. I think that's what it is. Oh, a microwave particle. Did you say microwave first? Okay, so you got it. Okay, so you got 3 already, right? Good. Okay, so now you get open yours up. Slide, slide, slide. Yeah, tear it open. Wait. Cool, a drone. Awesome. And that one has, it can film with your phone too.
Yeah.
That's really cool. We'll have to try that out. Okay, Toby, here's your clue, or your riddle. It says, I am a fruit. I am a bird. I am also a person. What am I? What's the name of a fruit that's also the name of a bird? It's not in our country, but it's in a country you've been to. I think Dino gets it. What is it?
Kiwi.
Kiwi, good job! Yay! Okay, open your present. Let's see what you got. Oh, a glider scooter? That looks awesome. Okay, so we got Chewy, and he's a tired little Chewy. Look at that. Wake up. And look, you pull him up and he wakes up. Okay, you got your tracks, Dash? Are you going to play with Jack Jack's playset? Okay, let's see. Let's try this out. Whoa. Yeah, try it again. Push the button. Whoa, that's cool. Whoa, I went all the way around. That was cool. Okay, so we're going to stack the tires, and I think if the car hits it, it might launch them. Let's see. Whoa, it kind of bumped it. Let's try it again. Whoa! Whoa, cool! Ooh, whoa, I went through it. Okay, here is the Scooter Glider XL. Pretty cool. I think it glows in the dark too. There's Jack Jack. Oh wait, I heard something.
It said hot.
It said hot? Is it a hot day? Hot. It's supposed to be Christmas coming up and cooler.
Well, it's
a hot day?
It's hot day.
Yeah, hot day. Woo. Watch out! Whoa. Cool. Oh, Chewy, whoa! What? Oh, no Chewy in the sewer. Come on. I don't think so.
Dancing with joy.
I don't know about that. I think he's making sad sounds. Not in the sewer.
The sewer.
No!
Woohoo! That's hot.
Poor Chewy. Chewy needs to take a nap.
No, he doesn't. I'm taking him.
Oh, he's taking a nap on the walk. Wake up.
Oh, put him upside down. That'll wake him up.
Upside down, Chewy.
Yeah, no, yeah, crazy. The food truck is now open. Gekko needs money for college in like 47 years. No one's coming. I guess I'll do dishes. This is a really cool job, but the only bad thing is This car actually doesn't drive. Look, no engine. I still don't have a good Catboy car. Maybe I could get one today. Hey, what is this? Hey, a customer. What would you like to order? One pizza. One pizza? I will want one Catboy car. This is all mine. No, it isn't. This is what I always wanted. And this wheel, guys. This isn't a Catboy car. This is a food truck. Oh, the pizza's done. A food truck will be a good Catboy mobile. I need to take it. Pizza, almost ready. Who made what are you doing here? I'm just checking on the pizza. Good, because it's already done. Here you go. Thank you. My Lego loves the pizza. But we want the pizza to go. Hey. Vroom, vroom. How does this drive? It doesn't drive. Catboy, your Lego doesn't want it to go. Oh no, it's tipping. I don't want this car. It's junk. I'm out of here. I'm going to go get a new car. Alright. Oh, that silly Catboy. He ruined my food truck. And the food. Here goes my dreams of college. Hey, I know. I'll open a battery shop. What do you think I should sell? Food or Catboy toys? Remember to like and subscribe. Goodbye. Bye.